Hello dear students, welcome on our online platform. Let us solve the another question that appeared in the NEET examination from inorganic chemistry. So the question is, pick out the correct statement with respect to the coordination complex of manganese, and we have four options. So before observing these four options, first of all we solve the statement for the complex, then we will compare it. So first is the manganese complex is the manganese CN6, that is 3 negative. So in this case manganese is the central atom, atomic number is 25, electronic configuration is argon 3d5 4s2, and in complex it appears as a +3 oxidation state. So it means there is the removal of 2 electrons, that is 3 electrons from the valence shell. So electronic configuration will become 3d4 and 4s0. In case of box representation, manganese 3 plus is written as the 4 electrons in 3d orbital, 4s is empty and 4p is empty. So as we know that the ligand is cyanide, and cyanide have strong ligand field strength. It has the tendency to pair up all the unpaired electrons. So if we pair these 4 electrons, these 4 electrons appear in the 2 d orbitals only, and we will get the 3 empty d, and the hybridization will be maybe d3sp2 like that one. But in any of the hybridization, there is no hybridization that contains the d3. So that gives the another idea that this complex is paramagnetic in nature. So in this case, in presence of cyanide, only 2 electrons gets paired up, and 2 electrons remain unpaired in this case, and empty 4s and empty 4p. So in case of the complex manganese cyanide 6 3 negative complex, cyanide gives a pair of electron to the empty orbital. So in this case, these are the electrons for the manganese, and cyanide gives the electron pair in first d, second d, 4s, that is 4s, that is 3d, that is 4p. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, and finally 6. So the hybridization will become D2sp3 hybridization. D2sp3 hybridization, and that hybridization always gives you arrangement in octahedral arrangement. So the geometry of the complex will be octahedral geometry. So the geometry of the complex will be octahedral, and hybridization is the D2sp3. Now we just compare these results with 4 options. So D2sp3, so we have the first option, second option, and 3 options have the D2sp3, but second is the octahedral arrangement that appears only in case of A. So A option is the right answer for this coordinated complex. So that question appears in the NEET 2017, and that is the most important question related to the coordinated complex. Thank you.